Hi, my name is Ulu, and I just wanted to make a quick video detailing my summer research project. So I explored the properties of interfering hydraulic jumps on an inclined surface. And what was pretty unique about this project is that all of the materials that I used for this can be found around a typical household. Some of the materials that I used were the glass from the picture frame, centimeter grid paper, which I found online, just printed out, some tape, and some more boards. So it's not anything crazy like a multi-million-dollar lab equipment or anything like that. It's really just stuff you could find around your house that can be used for this. Now, there were some more complex materials that I used, such as plastic tubing or piping, but I was able to get this from my school's operations department. But this can also be found in stores for a pretty cheap price too. In addition to this, I also used two cameras that I also borrowed from my school, and these were used so I could analyze my data from trial to trial in a video analysis program called Tracker, which is free. But again, this was for a reason that I was analyzing this data. So if this is something that you want to do for fun, cameras aren't really a big priority, but also you can use the camera in your cell phone, and that's pretty good too. And the last major thing that I needed for this project was access to water. In my case, I based my setup in a faucet in my school, so you can always just work with that. So here are some videos and pictures of what my setup looked like, and a few recordings from the cameras that I was analyzing. As you can see, I was really focused on the different aspects of the interaction between the two hydraulic jumps. Some properties that I looked at were how far the jump moved up the hill of the surface, the maximum height and length of the area of interference, which is between the two hydraulic jumps, it's that region where they interact with each other, and the length of the axes of the two jumps. So you may be wondering how I even came up with this project. To be honest, a lot of it came from looking at the previous work and research that former students did around hydraulic jumps. From there, it was just a lot of asking questions to Doc V, to the point where I had a couple major questions that I was really interested in learning about. Specifically, one former student studied the properties of two interacting hydraulic jumps on a level surface, and another former student studied the properties of hydraulic jumps on inclines. So I was curious about what happens when you merge the two together and you have two hydraulic jumps that are interacting with each other on inclines. So my advice for finding a topic is just to look in general at things you're interested in and start asking questions, because you never know where they'll take you, and that's the most fun way to dive into research. So I wish you the best of luck with whatever project you decide to tackle, and make sure that you share online in whatever way you can so that more people are able to see it, because you never know who might be inspired by it. Thank you.